Okasa, Oyo, it's a party. A Kufado Abino, now on count. As a party, nothing wabem. Ken, Bonipa me and said, "Ya do Muko, said another more contracts, and another one from our home. Bonipa me and said, Kennedy Japan, Bonipa me and said, I would do Muko, send another man grow food. More contract, and another one more. Sabonipa me and said, our contract almost a summer or sublete woman. Bo party no, Nipa me and said, our contract no mo so ama wono wo Kennedy Japan o sablete wo mo se menya contract enti kwabena mosho ho ahwan bra na be bobi mame bonipa mi ensadi ebini ho enti Kennedy, you are the ex. If you say we should find the ex, you are the ex. You are the ex. You are the ex. You are the ex. You are the ex, Ken. You are the ex. You are the S. You are the S, girl. You are the S. One woman boys. Eko JJ dying. Ewa kotia. Knowing very well say. Move from Mount Crofobi. The reason why akotia boys ne ko romanya baby ana. Eya ken wa. Wo any kodua. Ken. Eya wuni kodua. Eya wonsa wo adwuma. Eya wonsa wo adwuma. Me party me so bia mebo wudi assets kodua minia no ye fifie ba ko ba wojini ameka. You are the S. You are the S. The S you ask us to find. I have found it for the MPP, and they must X you out. They must X you out. You are the problem of the party. What in the boko for na meka acho no omusu ujimi na nka omasembiem omusu ujimi na nka omasembiem boko for no omusu ujimi no sa wodi wo mo ye wukru as politics na oba beto wo mo so no omusu you are the Kennedy ex na oso wo mo fine no enu na me ma sister na me ye calculation ma be se na me calculate. Now me calculate. Ken, you are the X. You are the problem of the MPP. You are the problem. You are the downfall. Won kwani nipa menya obi enya. Menya meseya die na me dia je hwede ochire. Hwede ochire. Wo mo ke ba umi 41%. Now won ka be na 12%. Cabina 12%. Apart from 30% of Bawumia voters will be antoma. Ghana for ni oma dwene se be ma nyanse ni nitiri. Omo kotoa ba ma no debi. Be ma okuma ntokwa wo bia ni sada. De na Kennedy wo ya am ka no. Kai. Ya no munuro no. Wo dada wo bebre kwa. Wo dada nje na ke kasa ansam na ko du fia. Wo da adwen wo zen. Wo da adwen wo zen. Oh, that because we are easy for them to get himself here. The here's MPP for the Kennedy, but by their campaign. Once again, said they born a voice. T. Almost said your model voice. A campaign, Tia Baumiano. Son would be by a campaign. Tiana is a wood any day time bar. Yeah, Babu Baudia. MPP form way. MPP form way. MPP form him answer. MPP form kwasiafo and MPP form way. Hey boy here. But I got nothing that you are the S. You are the S. Omo ya de meka. Omo ya mi donya me de meka for MPP no. Up to now wintimi nkai. Kennedy. You want to lead these criminals. These criminals. Huh? Criminals you have a said you my ye Ghana for. Omo ya de wo beka. Ye be free wenu mamba. Send people for you, they dare you. You want to lead these criminals? You want to lead these criminals? You are a very greedy man. Go and sit down. Go and sit down and respect yourself. You are a very greedy man. Go and sit down. What does you that's what you're doing? What's in will be person bribe you $800 million? Kennedy, up till now you can't tell us who wanted to bribe you $800 million. Huh? You are a very greedy motherfucker. Go and sit down. Go and sit your ass down. Put your knife and baby and humble yourself. Never won you. Ever vitamins can't say the baby to me and that. We are still waiting for you to come and show us who wanted to bribe you that 800 million. Where is that money? Kennedy. Nipakwana no press of Bible $800 million. The Kennedy away. You talk too much. You speak a lot of chaff. You talk too much. Think everybody is in your pocket. You can lose stock on waiting there about beer, swab blackmail, or beer can your pay because you wanna be a president. My friend, go and sit somewhere. Go and sit down and be humble. Humble. You are the ex. You are the ex.
Oh no.
Who kind people asema? Who can't say the party now won't count? And one share boys and who we are not. We are so by party for
no mubeguni intro.
God media.
We are boss.
Send it to me. Dear me. God media. Dear me.
Ebe chan throw krum ha say ni say ene report na o kan mumusa ne say report ne ba ye ben na do tie na report ne ba yo afei ene wa begina ka say there is a report that the plane has corroded and eroded ne sa normal ensesa hwe. Be consistent with what you are. Can no kra ni kire Ghana for mienhunu ba bi ewo etuo na asem na wo kan no magana for nti ase say mo starting nkrofo be dealing already that you want to acquire arms kache Ghana for nkrofo na mo ka chom so mo nko MDC panifo na mo so mo nko hwehwe plane omu lead in acquiring new planes no kache Ghana for ne jai say you obaba be gu nkrofo aka nseme enimu no na wakotete na akoyete say nkrofo na anye omuno mayi kanokre no so fo say nya bet now baby a wugina ye press conference na begina na catch om say play na nye esesa no and we nti na me feel say pese esesa no but me ni atro what you say me say stop the campaigning and govern
me say set you playing your queen Akufo the can't play na say no mo say onyusu and play ni betimi ayusu so it had na mama ko play na si France mama so onyusu play na
na Akufo do ha ye Independence Day Kumasi ye hunu so jafo nyema mo de begu ho ye hunu sa ma do di na na nsa ni nyina asese
o mo pe kwan ko ye
procurement mo wi sika adia na mo de abeye sa o ma ne bo ama ye hunu to enche o ba ka sa okoto nyema abre Ghana forces can ntam na kotro na fa usika because na wa ba mu de obi entimi no entwimanso bia na ja tro na udi tu nu aso no ano na nye o procure no aba obi enim se mo plan ya mo fa so nye sika no ye wa de but en me kase armed forces Ghana forces obi ne nyina asese obi ne nyina ansese yi nya no kre
and there what can I say defense minister announces $1 billion retooling for Ghana armed forces
be peska na wia
Yebedi
keke.
The Minister of Defense has outlined a 15-point vision for retooling the Ghana Armed Forces as part of efforts to enhance its capabilities and readiness. Among the 15-point vision is $1 billion investment to modernize the Ghana Armed Forces over 3.5 years. Enu sabe no, some 3.5 years so abemu. And if the next month akono, or said $1 billion ever bishim. Womo kochedi.
$1 billion no, enye say. Welfare of the soldiers in Kamu.
$100 million there.
Womo kochedi.
Welfare of soldiers in Kamu.
Dabi.
The friend is estates. Soldier for no pray. Estates ananado ye mo pray for continuation and no come home. Never
say we retooling.
Yes.
Retooling just so I can't say. Or say I could deal who you obsolete. I say it's a fair no person otobishemu.
No. Otobishemu. Not the human resources now.
Ebe career ni hono mo a oto akade edema security services nsi Akufo otobima navy for otobima armed forces for
helicopter and the first
police for helicopters
of this country
in the history of Ghana. Akufo ameka ba bia da say akode ho na say and e bi ni huntia a national security issue but we nya propaganda one say and now can say me sisi atia court na wo de ye be as 15 years
ye nya to man na say ye do man adane political party yɛ the court ɛda ne political party asɛ yo na wa attorney general case ɛwɔ supreme court to say obi adidi judge atema na kopiem supreme court na yɛ kɔtena asɛm no so asɛm ankɔ
awankɔ
wɔn so awansoma wo deputy
dabi
wansoma obi amfiri wo office
ankɔ
ebi sɛ mo ahyehyɛ mo adeɛ wɔ dan mu nti mo ayɛ deɛ mo pɛ
na wonim wo ka na NDC for ne Martin Kpebu omo defense ene say na second Japan kura di DJ for na temo na sinsin omo defense no omo kan Japan edi DJ no atemo no kura no na tem di no kura sinsin na no kura no ye kire ne contempt kura no ya amfa nantum nti adenti na Kevin Taylor de esi ed ni tum ti omo justification no
na ba kan so problem papa say o Kevin Taylor sma ba na won ye do toto no ho de a ene o ma gu nanim ase awurade Kevin wunim dawro sa Kevin Taylor sma wo mo kan ye yesi Kevin Taylor didi otumfo atema didi o kyen na me ntie daw meme obi a sa Kevin Taylor ene twinu Jonas me nam social media so am koto mo a me hu mo picture me twam me ntie wo mo kasa da since me tie say yes was me ntie da kwa me nima tem didi ekro didi judge no na me anu a na asemi bai ana mkotie di okafa otumfo ana mkotie di okafa okyenye no masa akwa no enum ye di na ti so ade sa okyenye ene otumfo ade a wo ye wo mo no enum ye di sa Kevin Taylor no achi no eso onko tena no di onni matem ya na odi otumfo atem do okyenye atem a me kwam na odi matem a de no aye se akwada ketua timi di asante hina tem kan semu a empanimfo mpo ne seso ahimfo mpo ntimi nkan kire no timi di oche hina tem kan semu a ne seso ahimfo mpo ntimi nkan kire no na sabon sam kra na suma wanti nka benya kokodro bo ne sa de adi san kwasa san na wodi no na wei party a whole party like NDC na mudi ndachi na mo akofa na ba adi national security for bon ho ban akofa na ba di o man ye o man state facility emu na mde na akotena NDC montina konya nso enkwosida wo
you are saying
montina konya nso enkwosida nti monhwe niam bi yie ye ba se oba ye se na VVIP na se ananya dwoma amete akonya so na VVIP wa na ametepe se hwan edi cocaine fa koye no
yeah
nti oni de oba VVIP ho no akoye ayi criminal ayi joint nti obi a no ye de ne nam ho ya sa adai da bia bebe bia na ugu ye ma no ni mu asesa President Mahama to bo aseka kra
emu
na running kra ko
emu owerem pa koka mami tiwe
the idea is the continuous version of John Dramani Mahama I take it full effect. We are see eduma any normal oba so obey or than a diamamo. The rule make I say okay say wow for say when ya sem ewo court no jina ye because he see us on court no or train ama the court no sa a futu no the man the lawyer say omunko school omo agree on bobo upload court no the munya hu hwe. Mahama has been very envious of Akufo-Addo. Bibia Akufo-Addo ye nan ye fi say Akufo-Addo wenanim as a lawyer, as a diplomat. Akufo-Addo was a normal way onu ni bi. Assemblyman, communication minister. They say me sure say third term no open o wi a aka de ba akopa oni ye council of state. Any council of state. Sam you know omo de be ma no. Judges near vetting me catch us a crocro the join the war no me omo nya nkrofo omo ka no kore. Omo to na nsem omo keka no me catch rem say.
In casa
Vetting no they set things say omo ba uphold the integrity and the constitution of Ghana. By your own colleague, a whole lawyer, say mo bie Pandora box no. You have opened the Pandora box. And Ghana no baby say you disrespecting your judicial system. the judicial system, or more the constitution, they intentionally and purposefully emanate independence in the basic general. When the legislature, any executives no fall shorter, the judiciary be general. Monshe de moye. Monshe de moye. Na say ye share baby a beka koduru. But mesre wo opem so utumi kasa wo. Utumi kasa. Yenim say President Obenwo Ghana ebeye yia efriye nyina ene ye wompanimfo wo Ghana yesre se nyane kasa opemso utumfo mibumu kasa mesre wo odehye wo ba wo nana se baby a ya mamuo eko in terms of the judiciary no and ye wrong kasafa ho yenim so kasa ebeye
all right. Inti Coca ena Martin Canona enima ni bi wo hono mo ho ne kano ya na kana na yebeka edu ba bi ese ka yebeka enti anopai mami tia minua buno hene baafo ewu of asase pa radio na migidi se ne ho ye papa say last week Saturday ebo adwuma kam nti me chia no pa say itimi eye more of sa collabo no na itimi the build the front of MPP baby asase won ho yen cantonment na okay nti no say you strengthen sa kokomlemle cantonment any koko say itimi ye triangle
obe hostel
kokomlemle cantonment Enna Madina.
Yes.
But Madina they be after primaries.
Madina the bedding.
Be after primaries.
Because when you go Madina hono.
Yeah.
Or my rebels be as say we am hwie nye yo. Oh Madina.
Na no sia.
Or my rebels be go.
Many God sia. Dr. Okan. That's the friend. Dr. Moses Okan. And me nua ba ko ho obofo me nua ho se me nua no bebre ho obofo pa the black ain't no bia say bia di ho
no but me on kan do
house of rebels
bro he host you
house of rebels
obe host you ho
e wa asase pa say metimi akọ
kai sa so dey that me no be referee
meko
because say no be busa sebro wo be yi ano
hey meko say ono so ya no wa ba ha bia na me so mako host ono so adu
e kere triangle games by the fireside
yes no say see etimi ma eja na no yes nkrofo bi timi ehun timi shisho mu kakra nti asem na no on say endra yero akabadufo case na attorney general say oni that's bre kwa bradufo no case na baaye no o bank egu aban ne say bank ne ye Ghana for bank indigenous bank enti no ya ma osika say san fa ko revive bank ne bi 2.2 billion Ghana cedis muji sika no ye yi shareholders na yi sika no e de akwa real estate e de akwa esi abra asem no ba hofro no omo ka kire Bank of Ghana say omo de koye investment nti omo kwa koton adan no no omo de investment na ba enti na mi bisa me ho say ade enti na sa bre no aban anfa ne nsanto sa properties ne so na wan ton no anfa ntu aka no ene didi
full account bi ata oba no akira ade and the court atwa Kevin Amatela case nim bench warrant another so a next thing ko bagana ye chine tun ye de ko tina court na mra ni di mra no ye kasa ni Kevin Tele di a obedi 40 na dem an obedem Kevin Tele de no ye jail for a candidate for jail as en ko dem but ni nyine nim say so far as na aban aba power ne de so far as odi di Ghana ye fo na atema di Ghana titiri fo nyina atema NDC for tare chi no ye sa de ntino na aban na aba power en ko si we bench warrant another so a na Kevin Tele Ghana na otete osie ni nyuma ni nyina no ye twam ye firi so and now me no ka say Kevin Amatela oye free man obi adwenti no kuruma and nyanwa Kevin Amatela uni bisa kwa ngwa magana wa makura nki betwam uni agura ko betwam mesi kuruma right now currently Ghana bɛrima okuma ba akɔpɛ John Dramani Mahama excellency ona Ghana tumi nyina ekuta no ɔpɛ na ɔyɛ obi aso tumi nyana hwee etu ɔka kyerɛ judge sɛ mo ntwa Kevin Taylor case ma ugondo o judge no yɛ hwanya Chief Justice kwa yɛ pɛ na pam no dwuma di bɛdi no ti Kevin Taylor yɛ free man Kevin Amatella wa Kevin Taylor di watem bia odi watem free ntumi nyana hwee mo nya ni matem so ba be di matem so mo nya ready obedi matem papa cause na ban na ba 4 years we dey na ban kula ni wo tena so je di matem na ban ba right now ko bo kru mo wa tena Ghana no we di matem obi antini nya na we cause ye guide no full security obedi na me already be ye dey John Dramani Mahama go jama afie na ye onre no o set a bad precedent it's all my Kevin Taylor a free man. Oh man, Kevin, I'm Matilla. What did you amount for Papa Matem? I say amount for Papa Brabo. I can't say many much at trying for. We see a young on fun. Hey.